Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add an HTML code in the Framer. Now first of all, head to the website of framer.com and go to the home section. So at the home page you will be seeing a section like this one which I have, or let me just set it. And so you'll be seeing something like this if you did not do any of the projects. So from the left side you can just click on insert, and inside the insert option you will see these options. So just go to the search tab and search here embed, and once you enter the embed option, so you will see these 6 or 5 apps. So just choose the last one, which is embed in our case. And once you click on embed, so you will see like something like this. The embed section has been deployed. To embed a website or widget, add it to the properties panel. So make sure to select it. Once click on it, on the right side, just scroll down, and inside this section, which is called embedded, so you will see the type. Either you want to embed the URL, or either you want to embed the HTML. So just go to HTML, and you will see a section like this one, HTML. So you can just scroll it and paste the HTML code. Let's say that this is my HTML code, which is I just random typed it. You can just press enter, and now as you can see, like this HTML code has been embedded into this section inside the Framer. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.